Hello everybody, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be talking about the app permission settings of your device Infinix Hot 20. So if you want to allow or disable apps mic or camera in your device Infinix Hot 20, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this video and you will learn all about the app permission settings of your device.